Imagine this for a moment. You wake up on a peaceful morning, somewhere far away from the noise of the city. The sun is gently slipping through your window blinds, birds are singing outside, and you're lying comfortably inside a motorhome that feels more like a modern hotel suite than something on wheels. And then it hits you. You didn't book a room. You brought your own room. This is the feeling the 2026 Elddis Avalon 250 is designed to give you. Freedom, comfort, and luxury blended into a home you can take anywhere. Today, we're going inside one of Elldis's most exciting new motorhomes for the season, a model built for couples, adventurers, and anyone who wants a compact motorhome that feels much bigger on the inside. So let's begin the full walkthrough of the brand new Avalon 250. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to step inside this motorhome yourself. The moment you see the Avalon 250 from the outside, it's something special. It sits on a strong, reliable chassis with clean modern lines, sharp detailing, and a fresh 2026 exterior style that instantly looks premium. The front features integrated LED headlights, a bold grille, and a slightly sporty face that gives this motorhome a confident presence on the road. Along the side, you'll notice the long awning for outdoor shade, premium windows with privacy tint, smart exterior storage lockers, and a neat aerodynamic finish that improves driving comfort and efficiency. From the outside, it looks compact and easy to handle, but once you step inside, Elddis surprises you with a very clever design. As soon as the door opens, the interior feels open, bright, and much roomier than you expect. Elddis has always been known for smart layouts, but the Avalon 250 takes that idea further. With warm LED lighting, soft furnishings, and a modern 2026 color palette, the entire space feels premium and homelike. You get a beautiful combination of light wood finishes, soft touch panels, matte cabinets, and subtle lighting strips that create a warm ambience, especially in the evenings. It feels like stepping into a small luxury apartment, not a typical motorhome. The lounge area is the heart of the Avalon 250. This is where you can relax, work, dine, or just enjoy the view outside your windows. The seating is plush and supportive, made with premium fabrics that feel soft but durable, perfect for long journeys. The lounge easily converts into a dining space with a versatile table, and because the windows are tall and wide, natural light floods the entire area throughout the day. You can imagine having breakfast while parked beside a river, watching movies late at night, catching up on work, or inviting friends for coffee. It's simple, functional, and extremely comfortable, exactly what you want in a compact motorhome. Move a little forward and you enter the kitchen area, which is one of the biggest highlights of the Avalon 250. For a motorhome this size, the kitchen is surprisingly well equipped. You get a full-size cooker with multiple burners, an oven and grill, a large refrigerator, deep storage drawers, a modern stainless steel sink with a stylish tap, and plenty of high-quality worktop space. The layout is excellent. Everything is within easy reach. Nothing feels cramped, and there's enough room for two people to cook together comfortably. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full meal after a long day of exploring, this kitchen is absolutely capable. Now let's talk about the bedroom, which is honestly the star of the Avalon 250. Elddis has created a beautifully designed sleeping area that feels warm, private, and incredibly inviting. The bed itself is large and supportive, perfect for two people. You get a soft headboard, reading lights, USB charging points, overhead cabinets, and underbed storage, all arranged in a way that feels natural and convenient. The window placement is perfect for morning sunlight, and the overall design truly feels like a hotel-style sleeping space. After a long day of travel, this is the kind of bed you'll be excited to sink into. Next is the bathroom, and Elddis has used the space very wisely. You get a proper separate shower area, so you're not standing on a wet floor when you use the toilet. The washroom includes a modern flush toilet, a spacious shower cubicle, LED lighting, storage cabinets, and a bright mirror. For a compact motorhome, this bathroom feels surprisingly roomy and well-designed. It's clean, modern, and completely practical for daily use. And of course, storage is one of the areas where the Avalon 250 really shines. Elddis knows what real travelers need, and they've added storage everywhere. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, wardrobes, kitchen cabinets, bathroom shelves, and exterior lockers for larger equipment. Whether you're going away for a weekend or a month-long adventure, there is enough space to keep everything organized without cluttering the living area. When it comes to driving, the 2026 Avalon 250 is smoother, quieter, and more comfortable than ever. You get a modern digital dashboard, supportive captain seats, Bluetooth connectivity, improved suspension, and well-insulated cabin noise levels. It's the kind of vehicle you can drive all day without feeling exhausted. The combination of comfort, stability, and modern technology makes it perfect for long journeys and everyday touring. Altogether, the Elddis Avalon 250 stands out because it offers a big motorhome feeling in a compact, easy-to-drive package. You get a hotel-style bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, a smart and premium lounge layout, excellent storage options, and a clean, modern 2026 interior upgrade. It's ideal for couples, small families, or solo travelers who want premium living without going too big. Before we wrap up, tell me in the comments, what part of the Avalon 250 impressed you the most? Was it the lounge? The bedroom? The bathroom? I'd love to hear your favorite feature. The 2026 Elddis Avalon 250 is more than just a motorhome. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It gives you the freedom to travel anywhere, the comfort to live anywhere, and the joy of waking up every day with a different view outside your window. Whether you're dreaming of long road trips, quiet countryside weekends, or exploring new destinations with complete freedom, this motorhome is ready for all of it. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more videos like this, make sure to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy travels.